In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create an e-signature using Canva in just 5 minutes. If you're looking for a quick and professional way to create an electronic signature, Canva is a fantastic tool to leverage. Not only is it user-friendly, but it also comes with a variety of templates that can help you craft a signature that perfectly suits your needs. So let's dive in and get started. First, you want to head over to Canva's website. If you don't already have an account, you'll need to sign up. It's a straightforward process, and once you're logged in, the creativity can begin. In the search bar, you're going to type in signature. This will bring up a range of design templates specifically catered to creating signatures. Now you'll see an array of signature templates, which makes it super easy to find a style that you like. Browse through the options and click on a template that catches your eye. Remember, your signature reflects your personal or professional brand, so take a moment to select a design that resonates with your style and requirements. After you've chosen your template, it's time to customize it. Click on the Customize this template button. Here, Canva offers you the flexibility to modify the existing design elements to your liking. You can change fonts, colors, and even add or remove elements. This step is where you can really personalize your signature to make it uniquely yours. Next, direct your attention to the text area of the template. You'll want to edit the text to display your name. To do this, click on the text box and replace the placeholder text with your own name. You might also want to experiment with different fonts and sizes until you're satisfied with how your name appears. Canva offers a plethora of font options, so take your time to explore and pick one that represents you best. Once you're happy with how everything looks, it's time to finalize your design. Go over the entire template one more time to ensure everything is perfect, from the font size to the layout, because once downloaded, this will be your digital signature for professional use. Finally, download your signature. Click on the download button at the top right corner of the screen. Canva offers several file formats such as PNG and JPG, which are ideal for signatures. Choose the format that best fits your needs, and voila, you've just created your very own e-signature using Canva, all in under 5 minutes. This tool makes it easy to generate a sleek, professional-looking signature without the need for extra software. And there you have it. An efficient way to create a stunning e-signature that can be used across documents, emails, and more, bringing a professional edge to all your digital correspondence. Thank you for joining me in this tutorial, and happy designing!